So here we're going to let the function f of x be equal to the absolute value of x plus 3 over x plus 3. And we want to determine the limit as x approaches negative 3 of f of x. And if it doesn't exist, then we'll go ahead and label that. This function right here you might not be as familiar with, so I'm going to use a graphing utility. So this is Desmos, which is free online. You can go ahead and download this, or not download this, but just go to the website www.desmos, which is DESMOS.com, and you can go ahead and use this nice graphing utility if you'd like. Now, I'm going to graph that function that we were just looking at before. So that's going to be the absolute value. Let's see if we've got some absolute values in here. Here's the absolute value. Okay, and we had x plus 3. What's neat is every time you punch something in, this graph goes ahead and changes. So that's what our graph of x plus 3 looks like, the absolute value, but now we need to divide that by the quantity x plus 3. Okay, so this is what our function looks like here. And now, as we approach negative 3, which is right here, as I come in from the left side, I'm approaching negative 1. As I come in from the right side, I'm approaching positive 1. So since I'm approaching different values from the two sides, the limit doesn't exist. Okay, so let's go back here. We'll just redraw out that graph. So here is negative 3. Okay, so this is what our graph looks like. And by the way, there's open circles. It didn't show in that last graph, but there are open circles here and here because the function is not defined at negative 3. So here, at a height of negative 1, and up here I'm at a height of positive 1. So we can go ahead and put positive 1 up here. But notice that as I come in from the left side, I approach negative 1. So what we do is we write it like this. The limit as x approaches negative 3 from the left side is equal to negative 1. Now up top here, as we come in from this side, so as we approach negative 3 from the right side, the limit as x approaches negative 3 from the right side of f of x, that's equal to positive 1. And since the limit from the left side is not equal to the limit from the right side, we go ahead and we say that the limit as x approaches negative 3 of f of x does not exist.